Hey everyone, it's Mr. Canfield. We're going to go through the Chapter 4 review for geometry today. Wobbly tripod, that's okay. So I'm going to do the triangle congruence partner activity first, and then we'll move on after that into the review paper. Maybe I'll just make them 2 videos for you. Okay, so the directions for this were state whether there's a, so this is what I would have my students do: state whether there's a share side, vertical angle, mark it, state whether the 2 triangles are congruent, and then use the congruency theorem that shows they're congruent. So, and then finish the statement. So we'll start off with one that's not guaranteed to be congruent. So we have a side and an angle, but I don't have anything else marked. This is not vertical angles. It's not a shared side. So we can't guarantee they're congruent. But then if we get to this one, we have angle, and I like to say this is angle 1, then side 1, and angle 2. Down here, angle 2, side 1, angle 1. And so we can see the order we have, ASA. We don't have a shared side or vertical angles or anything, but we do have ASA. So we know this is going to be ASA congruence. And so if I'm going to name these triangles correctly, let's see, JKL. J has my single, K has my double. So I'll need to go single, then double. So M, N, and then O is the last letter. All right. I don't have a ton of time, so I'm going to just kind of burn through this, but please let me know if any of this didn't make any sense for you. Drop a comment or, talk to me in person, because we're humans. And yeah, all right. That's how humanity works. So this one, well, we know that these 2 angles are equal by vertical angles, but there's no other congruency markings. It doesn't tell us anything else, so that's not enough. All we have is an A. we need S's, and we need, yeah. All right, this one, let's see. Well, this one we have side 1 and side 2. And it says triangle PSR. So like, if you can't see it, I could always draw it off to the side. PSR, we got a single and a double. And so it's probably talking about this triangle up here. I'm dancing around it. There's a shared side. And maybe redrawing it can help you see it, but there's this shared side in the middle here. If we do that, oh look, it's SSS because the 3 sides match. So that's SSS, and so if we were going to say it, so PSR, P to S goes through the single dash, and S to R goes through the double dash. So I'll need to follow that same order, go through single, then double, so R, Q, P. All right, next one. All right, they have an angle in common. They have another angle in common by vertical angles. Oh, this was a shared side, right? So we have vertical angles. So we have 2 angles, but nothing about the sides is given, so there's not enough info. Let's see, on this one, I've got angle. Hey, we know that we could say that's like a 3rd one, right? Like if I know those 2, because that means we know the number for this and we know the number for this, or we know the number for this matches the number for this. But nothing about the sides, no special thing we could do to verify the sides. Yeah, we're stuck. Yeah, we don't know anything about these down here. So this is another not enough info. You can always just write no. I'm trying to be really, okay, so I made a mistake in copying. The very last page is where I ended up having the directions in my PDF, and when I printed it, I forgot that and just reordered the pages and whatever. Here's our next one. All right. So in this one, we've got a shared side, but no indication of angles, so another not enough information. On this one, I've got side 1, angle 1, side 2, side 1, angle 1, side 2. Hey, that's SAS. That's the order they're in. And let me just, so if that's A, B, C, I need to follow the same order. So what, D, E, F? Pretty straightforward on that one. All right, next one. A, B, D. Oh, we only have a side and an angle. That's not enough. But wait, we got this shared side in the middle. So now I've got side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So this is SAS, we're good now. So if we have A, B, D, so A cross the single to reach the angle. So cross the single to reach the angle. So C, D, B. Another one where we have an angle and a side. An angle and a side. Can't do anything. Just kidding. Vertical angles. Whoop. Now we got angle, angle with a side in the middle. Angle, angle with a side in the middle. That's ASA. So let's see. PQR. PQR. So that one's single, blank, double. So single, blank, double. I almost started right here. And I'm glad that I said those words out loud because single I should start with. So single, blank, double. So what, TSR? Okay. Next one. We got two angles and a side. Angle 1, angle 2, side. But the side's off to the side. So it's two angles with a side off to the side. So it's AAS. And so they're congruent. Okay, so QRP, so we'll start with the double. So TUS. Quirp is equal to TUS. These words are weird words. All right, back. BAC. Wait, I need to figure out if they're congruent or not first. Wait, all I have is a side and an angle. It's like the same thing as this one up here. It's different though, it's a different picture. Side and an angle, and then we can say, hey, there's our vertical angles right there. So we got two angles, and where's the side? Off to the side. So angle, angle, side. So BAC, we'll start at blank, go to single. So blank, go to single. So ED, EDC. All right. Go, go, go. Oh, good, this PUD has more than the other pages. So it's more of the same. So on this one, we've got two angles and a side in the middle, two angles and a side in the middle. So yeah, we can say ASA. Even if these were flipped, just real quick, let's just mention that. If these were flipped, we'd still be, so angle 1, side 1, angle 2. And then if it was angle 1, side 1, angle 2, even if they're flip-flop like that, it's still fine because we can still write them in that order. Like you can go travel backwards or travel forwards. As long as you're traveling in the same order of stuff, we're good. Same thing for this one with the sides, how it goes side 2, angle 1, side 1. As long as you trace the three of them together in a row, it doesn't matter. So this would be an SAS situation because that's a side, that's an angle, that's side 2, bozo. Angle 1, side 1. Okay, so that's SAS. So if we say CAB, then that would be FDE. All right, next. Hey, look, they all have, it's a copy-pasted picture. So ABC, oh, no, BCA. BCA, EFD. Wish that one was, I wish this was turned for us to give us a little bit more difficulty in naming it. All right, let's see, or like flipped or something. Can't do it. You just got a side and an angle. No, just kidding. Okay, so they also have a shared side though. And so now you can see we have side, angle, and a side. Side, angle, and a side. Same layout. So this is SAS. Oh, this was pronouncing the acronyms is not like, that's not a thing that you're supposed to do. I like doing it because it's funny. It's silly. All right, PQS. Make sure you start on the side with the dash on it and start at the empty angle. So side with the dash, start at the empty angle. Excuse me. RSQ. Next, we got a side and an angle and an angle, because vertical angles. So cool. That would be side, angle, angle. That's not one of them. It's technically angle, angle, side is how we're used to writing it, but it's the same thing. So either one of those is fine. So LPM, so blank, go to double, go to single. Blank, go to double, go to single. I was about to go, so LPM is blank, double, single. Okay, so blank, double, single, NPO. All right. All right, this, why are these at the end? We got an angle 1, side 1, angle 2. Sorry if I'm trivializing this. If I'm like, oh, it's so easy. Looking at these things might not click for you, and that's fine. So labeling can be really helpful, and I'm really sorry if I'm being belittling at all, going like, oh, no, just see it, because it like both is and isn't that simple. Some of our minds aren't good at looking at pictures like this and just putting stuff together like that. It's definitely it's a skill you get through exercising that muscle more and more. And surprise, the math teacher doesn't have a hard time with it. Anyway, this is ASA because of that order that they're in. So then PRQ, so single, empty, double. Single, empty, double, so TSU. I guess I'm making fun of things, but I did struggle a minute ago to write those in the right order. Yeah. Okay, this, well, oh, interesting. We got single, single. That's fine, it's single, single again. If it was like this, these would not be congruent triangles. But since it's the exact same markings, so SAS, side angle side, and JKL. Now, you could be a little silly here. So JKLMNO, that's if I'm just trying to keep it simple. But we also could do ONM because it's a reversible triangle, right? These are isosceles triangles, so we're guaranteed these base angles match. That's going to be important on the next worksheet. All right, this one, angle 1, angle 2. Wait, we only have angles. All right, and then we have a shared side, right? So you actually, since we know the two angles, we know the third angle has to match as well. Well, hey, you could do angle side angle or angle angle side. Really, anytime you have either one of those, you can do the third one because you can always find the third angle. We can always know what the third angle is. If two angles match, the third angle matches. Little secret for you. LMO, let's see, so single to the triple to the double. So single to the triple to the double, NON, NOM. All right, so that's that. See you in the next video, bye.